cheap. Hire a tree cutting service. This is James. James cuts trees. James doesn't follow safety precautions. James also suffers from narcolepsy. Watch James cut trees.
Here it comes. Pull.
I try my best.
This is my good buddy, James. James, you've seen, he's been cutting trees for me here on Having a Beer with Mike. James, you did it, buddy.
Yeah, let me see what I look like now. Had to break it on down.
How are you?
I just see you on TV all the time.
Yeah, you just seen a guy with a tree problem now. Yeah, man, how you doing? What's your name, buddy?
Rick?
Do you know James?
I know this guy.
Tell you what, James is a very dangerous man, isn't he?
He's sliding. He need to climb back up and hold himself up there.
Is he tired?
Yeah, he's sliding.
Hey, wake up!
He's sliding. Hey, you sliding down.
Is he passing out?
Oh,
James, are you all right up there?
I feel fine.
he coming?
Hey, easy now.
You better drop that.
James, did you pass out?
Heavier. Where he is now, between there and the palm tree, from the palm tree on up.
What's heavier?
Yes. If he cut it where he is right now,
Let's just
is that gonna? Is the top of it gonna?
It's gonna go like that.
It's gonna go like this, or is it gonna come back?
No, it's not gonna come back. It's gonna go like this.
Man, he is crazy.
How you doing, James?
Bend forward, let it pop a little bit, let it bend back. And then after it bend back, I can take it from there.
You think somebody should move that car?
Nah, these guys know what's going.
Whoa! Didn't hit the house, did it? Uh-oh.
Really?
Hey, James, it looks like the tree hit the car over here. It looks like you hit the house. Okay, James is having a beer. He's an excellent tree man, but sometimes things happen. What can you tell us, James? What can you tell the folks at home?
Well, only thing I can tell the folks at home, cause it's just really up about the bush. Cause I didn't want to do it. Huh?
I'm disappointed in you.
No.
You that far off center.
Yeah, that's
That far off
all.
center.
That's far off.
That's terrible.
Yeah, I
I
just
thought you're a
said.
better tree man than
James, you know what? You cut down 1,000 trees perfectly, and one hits a car in a house, and everybody's got a problem. You tell them if it's so easy, let them try it, right?
Yeah, they try cause I only remodel the roof myself.
That's right. What do you think of Joe's tree cutting? All right, tell you what, James, for the folks at home that would like to hire you, what's your phone number? All
The
right.
house phone number is 47
Yeah.
521.
Yeah.
98.
All right, so if you'd like to get a hold of James, you can have him do some work for you. And he's happy to do that for you. Just give him a call right away and he'll be at your house to cut your trees down.
Yes, I will.